this is Bilal Suleiman from Worknsolution agency, and I am in Pakistan right now. Now, if I'm talking about Amazon in Australia, it's mind blowing. Everyone is doing private label over there, and I'm also doing business over there in Australia. So there are like two different ways you can earn through Amazon. Like you can do private label, wholesale, arbitrage, or drop shipping. Like you can do investment over there. Secondly, which I have been done before, that is virtual assistant. Like I can give services to different agencies, different clients, so I can get something out of it. So you can also become a successful person in Amazon by learning process. Okay, I can teach you each and everything from A to Z. Okay, how you can do listing, how you can do hunting, how you can maintain your health of Amazon account, each and everything practically. So do join me, do join my course and enroll with me. I'll let you know, I will show you how enough tools in future. Thank you so much.